I asked ChatGPT Pro to analyze Bitcoin, and the result honestly made me pause before hitting buy or sell. What's up, guys? Mooney here, and today you're listening to Money Talks. If you're new here, Bitcoin is basically the digital gold and the benchmark for the whole crypto market. But I'm not going to give you a history lecture. In this video, I just want to show you how ChatGPT Pro reads BTC right now and what it thinks about the next 30 days so you can build your own view by the time we're done. From the charts, ChatGPT Pro sees both the weekly and daily time frame in a clear downtrend. Weekly candles are still sitting below key EMAs, daily momentum is strongly bearish, but short-term we're seeing a small bounce. In plain English, BTC is tired and still trending down, but that doesn't mean the drop is completely over. The model marks around 80K as a psychological support zone and roughly 95 to 100K as a thick resistance wall that's hard to break in the near term. On the on-chain and sentiment side, the data ChatGPT Pro uses shows more BTC leaving exchanges than coming in lately, which slightly reduces immediate sell pressure. On the other hand, spot Bitcoin ETFs just had one of their worst months ever, with billions of dollars flowing out of institutional products. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting in extreme fear territory, at levels we only see when people are really freaking out. Long-term fundamentals are still intact. Halving is behind us, adoption keeps building, but over the next 1 to 2 months, ETF flows and macro risk-off vibes are still big headwinds. Main risks: ETF outflows keep going, global markets stay risk-off, and BTC fails to reclaim key EMAs. Now the part you're actually here for, the 30-day outlook. From a starting point around 87.9K, ChatGPT Pro builds 3 scenarios. First, the bullish case, about a 35% chance that BTC grinds up toward roughly 95.8K, around plus 8.9% from here. Second, sideways, about 25% odds that price just chops inside a wide range with no clear direction. Third, the bearish case, roughly 40% that BTC slides down toward the 80K area, about minus 8.9% in 30 days. The model gives this forecast a confidence of 2 out of 5, which means the data is okay but noisy. There's no super clean signal that lets us say this is almost guaranteed. This analysis is fully generated by ChatGPT Pro from technicals, on-chain, sentiment, and ETF news. Our job is simply to ask, does this line up with how I see the market? This is not financial, investment, trading, or any kind of professional advice. Do with your own risk and always do your own research. I want you to join the experiment. Drop a comment. Over the next 30 days, do you think BTC ends up closer to 95K, 80K, or just stuck somewhere in between? We'll come back in a few weeks and see how well ChatGPT Pro did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if this kind of breakdown helps you think about the market with a cooler head. The bigger this channel gets, the more I can bully ChatGPT Pro into running deep dive analyses on other coins for you.